We love everything about our dog, from his adorable wet nose to his wagging tail. What we don't love is the pungent urine smell in the home. Fortunately, you can now remove that pungent urine smell from everything around your home very easily. With Live Odor Free, in no time, your home will smell fresh and clean. Live Odor Free is a 3-step pet urine kit that eliminates stubborn odors caused by pet urine. Great for carpet, area rugs, small areas in patio, garage, basement, or cement. From moderate to tough odor problems, recent urine spots or old, Live Odor Free is best to use. It eliminates the negative odor ions with positive odorless ions. That stinky smell will not return. It will not leave any lingering fragrance either. Patented noble ion odor technology. You won't find it anywhere else. No harmful chemical or enzymes added. Deeply penetrated urine-soiled areas to solve the problem. Satisfaction guaranteed. For more details, please check link in the description below. Try Live Odor Free. Give your house a professional cleanse.